This is what fear looks like. A dry lake bed, cracked earth, no water for miles. For billions of people on this planet, this isn't a distant image, it's home. And the water they need simply isn't there. Every day, millions of women and children walk for hours, not to school, not to work, just to find water. And too often, they return home with nothing. The wells are dry, the rivers are dust. The future looks bleak. But here's something strange. Even in the driest desert, there's water all around her. She just can't see it. The air we breathe is not empty. It's a river, an invisible river of water vapor. In fact, the Earth's atmosphere holds more water than all the rivers on the planet combined. 6 times more. You've seen this before. A cold drink on a warm day. Water appears on the glass. Where did it come from? Not from inside. It came from the air. When warm, moist air touches a cold surface, it condenses, turns from invisible gas into liquid water. This simple science is now saving lives. Meet the AWG, Atmospheric Water Generator, a machine that makes water from thin air. It works like this. First, it pulls in air, lots of it. The machine breathes in the invisible river around us. Inside, those coils get very cold, colder than the air. As the air passes over them, it does the same thing as your lemonade glass. Droplets form. They fall. Drop by drop, the tank fills. This isn't magic. It's just physics. And it's happening right now, all over the world. In villages where water hasn't flowed for years, children now catch it from the sky. Not rain, machine-made rain. For the first time in their lives, they drink clean water, water that was air just hours ago. In cities, these machines run on solar power. The sun that once dried the earth now powers the creation of water. Families fill their glasses. Water that didn't exist as liquid this morning is now on their table. Hospitals use it for patients. Clean water means fewer infections, fewer deaths. It's that simple. Farmers use it too. Not for entire fields yet, but for young plants. For seedlings that will one day feed families. Even on beaches, portable units let surfers drink water made from the ocean air. Water, anywhere, anytime. Look at our planet from space. See that thin layer? That's our atmosphere, and it holds enough water for everyone. Imagine millions of these machines, each one quietly pulling water from that layer, giving it to those who need it most. Remember her? Today she didn't walk for hours. The water came to her. From the sky. From a machine. She looks up at the same sky she walked under for years. But now she knows the secret. The sky is a river. And her children? They play with water, something their grandparents could only dream of. One village at a time, the desert blooms. Not with massive rivers diverted, just with air and science. In the future, even the driest cities will thrive. Every building a well, every roof a source of life. It starts with one drop, one machine, one idea. And that drop becomes a ripple. That ripple becomes a wave. That wave becomes a revolution. The water revolution isn't coming. It's already here, and it's falling from the sky.